welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the A22 Bluetooth Earphone Outdoor Sports Wireless Headset. So this you can get off AliExpress currently for about £4 something, very extraordinarily cheap. And we're going to be giving you a non-biased review on the specifications and the overall, whether we would advise you to actually get this product or not. So first things first, the product actually comes in this bag. It doesn't come in a box, similar to how maybe the Alki would have came in a box, and other headless earphones, wireless earphones that we've reviewed in the past. This actually comes in a bag. Now this obviously can be attributed to the fact that it is being sold for generally about like £5 or £6. So the actual product in itself is this. So it's both a power bank and wireless headphones as well. And now it comes with the instruction manual and a pair of spare little earbud things, so that obviously in case you lose the ones on top of the headphones, you can have a replacement. So this is the charger. The charger is very regular, the old Samsung ones. You'll see it practically everywhere. The actual thing itself, it comes in a variety of colors. You have grey, blue, pink, white, of course, as displayed over here. And this product is actually marketed as waterproof, and they say that it has IPX5 waterproof, which is supposedly good. So here we have the actual product itself. What you do is you can just push it out from here. Of course, this is the power bank ports. You have the universal thingy that you can practically use to charge anything. And then you have obviously the way that you charge the actual product itself, which is like the old Samsung. So the thing is, one thing let me just quickly put out there: do not attempt to charge the actual product with its power bank. That it just won't work. The Bluetooth on this is 5.3, and the transmission rate should be increased by about 4 times. So this should last you about 4 hours. I'll say 4 hours if you're using it, but continuous use, I'd say probably about 3 hours. So this comes with obviously the case is charging its battery, the amount of battery it has, and it takes about an hour to charge, which is good. It has obviously noise reduction, and it has a wireless distance of about 10 meters. Now the one thing is, you might say the product is a bit big, but obviously we're taking into account the fact that there's a power bank and there's also the headphones itself, and they both obviously they just combine into this one product here. Now this you could take in your bag and whatnot, and it's convenient because you're getting 2 products essentially in one, and also with the price that you're getting it at, it's also sounds almost too good to be true. And the product itself, the little headphones, they look quite similar to other headphones that we've seen before, the wireless ones. It's that very same design. Of course, there's the little lights on the back over here that turn on whenever you put it on charge or take it off, to show that now they can connect the blue, which means that they're now connected. So obviously in and of itself, the product looks very nice. We've tried it, sounds very nice, and as in whatever is basically the specifications of the product, it does meet those requirements, and it's a very decent product. There's not much I'd really say is wrong with it, but I will say that the case seems a bit not fragile, but it's more like there's less of a firmness or denseness to it. As you can see, like the actual case, when you remove this main area, this is practically just a shell. It's very thin, as you can see from the inside, and it's very thin. So that might be an issue if you were to drop these, or maybe if it was open, maybe these are easy to break. But otherwise, the product in of itself is pretty nice. Seems pretty decent. It's a nice display, LED display, and of course, yeah, simple chargers. It's pretty convenient. It's a good thing, especially if you travel a lot and you want to have the least amount of things possible inside of your bag. And of course, the technology used in the display is actually an AI intelligent digital display. So it has touch control, a large capacity in the charging case. It can charge your phone, and it's also sweat proof. Now that means that you could obviously, let's say if you go on jogs or you go on hikes or whatnot, and you want to have a way to keep your phone charged just in case, whilst at the same time being able to listen to whatever you want to while you're obviously carrying out your physical exercise, this would be a good idea. Because let's say if you sweat, you're less likely to tamper with the product, and this obviously gonna just increase the longevity of the product overall. This product in and of itself seems to be pretty decent. Of course, there's a bit of that fragility issue over here when you have the case out, but otherwise, how many times do you think you'll have the case out? It can happen, but it's quite a low risk factor. I think the product is decent. I would give it about an 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty nice, pretty nifty, and I think you should definitely consider it, especially for the price you're getting at. So it would be pretty stupid not to look into. And of course, if it's for you and it's for your way of life and the way you operate, then you should definitely get it. But yeah, that's all I have for the A22 for today. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Make sure you turn your notifications on, never miss another video. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.